For me, coming back, it's a lonely place, man. I did 6 combat tours, so I spent a lot of time. When I couldn't be there for my guys anymore, I felt useless. The most important thing for me to do is to be relevant, to stay active and aware. I just felt like it was my duty to help veterans. When vets need the farm, we are there to help them. When the towers went down, I just felt this call to service just said, hey man, this is your time. My Ranger buddy, Kyle Comfort, was killed in combat on May 8th, 2010. And when we named this place Comfort Farms, I wanted to bring the spirit of Kyle. He was like this beacon of hope. People come here beaten, they feel defeated. Everybody else treats him as a broken individual. We kind of pair up the farm for the disciplines that a vet needs to rebuild his relationships with his family.
Pretty much stayed to myself after I got out of the military. Then when I started coming out here, and the camaraderie and meeting other veterans, it's a great place.
The only important thing, whether you're a farmer or whether you're a warrior, is service. And so we give our folks who fought for so much a chance to serve again.
Your directive, it goes from 100 to 0. But you still have that drive, you still have all that tenacity and everything that the military puts into you. And what John's doing out here is providing the direction to head in.
I felt that to get connected back to the earth is the most wholesome and purest thing that you can do. This is our John Deere 3032E. We get so much more work done with this tractor. And I get vets here that come in and say, hey, I need tractor time. That's all. What I really loved was the quick hitch. It required way less work for a lot of our disabled vets. Go back to that, coming in, feeling disabled, and leaving enabled. We focus on animals that have had a long heritage with the United States. Our hogs are allowed to run the ground, run the earth. Chefs want to buy something that has meaning. They want to come to a farm that's actually paying attention to those things, and the end product is unbelievable. All right, I'll let you get down. There you go. The way we raise our animals, how they eat, we do treat it like wine. The terroir of the land creates something unique to this farm. The importance of heirloom seed goes back to artistry. I'm a farming historian for my chefs, and that's how it used to be back in the day, where your chef and your farmer worked hand in hand. People long to actually sit down and have dinners and to talk about the stories of their life. We like to tell the stories of our animals. We love to tell the stories of our vets. And stories are really important for this farm and everything that we do. I'm Jon Jackson, and this is my farm.